Hey, what is up guys, it's Alex here, and today we're doing a project on how you can make your iPhone 5 look like the iPhone 5s. Well, this particular iPhone has the same button as in the iPhone 5s, but the housing stays the same. I just decided to stay on the iPhone 5 color. And you may have a question if the Touch ID works. Yes, it partly works, but it doesn't actually recognize your fingerprint, but it reacts on how you hold the button. So you have to hold the button for accessing your home screen. This iPhone also has the slow-mo feature. Well, it works the 50-50 compared to the iPhone 5s, because it actually records only 60 frames per second video, but still it's better than nothing, so you can see how the 5s is actually working in the same situation, but it doubles frame rate. There are only a couple of things you have to do to make the same iPhone as I have. So first thing you have to do is replace the home button. To do that, you can go to iFixit, and they have a video on how you can replace this home button. Their videos are really nice. I always use their videos for such things. The link for the video will be in the description. The next thing you have to do is to have your iPhone jailbroken. There are a couple of things in Syria you'll have to install after the jailbreaking, which are the activator, the bypass, and the slow-mo. Well, bypass and activator, these are tweaks for the home button. This will make your home button function like on an iPhone 5s. For slow-mo tweak, this is obvious that makes your iPhone have the slow-mo mode. These are all free tweaks, so you can go ahead and search them in Cydia and install them for free. That's basically it guys. Please leave a comment what you think on this iPhone 5s project, and hit that like button if you enjoyed my video. Also see my other videos and subscribe to my channel for the future updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.